Good evening. My name is Philip Manche, and we will learn how to use Excel shortcuts to move around numbers without having to redo your whole page or your whole formula. In this video, we will learn how to add numbers in Excel. We will learn how to continue a sequence, and we will learn on how to multiply these numbers. So let me share my Excel page with you. Okay, in this page, we are going to count, as I said, from 1 actually, so we'll type in 1 in A1. After that, we will press enter, and then we will click the enter button there, click and enter, and then we will grab A1. So enter A1, the plus sign, plus 1. So A1 plus 1, and that'll equal 2. So it's just 1 plus 1. Next, we will go to the 2. And so we'll go to the A3, we'll click enter again, and we will click on the A2. So equals, sorry, the equal sign, not the enter sign, the equal sign, my bad. A2 plus 1, so it's 3, because A2, yeah, right, okay. So then we'll do it one more time. We have equals A3 plus 1, we have 4. And the cool thing about Excel is we don't have to keep doing that forever, but we can grab it all, and with a little black little plus symbol, we can grab these 3 and continue down all the way to the 10, and we have it all going down. And if you look, each one is a cell box plus a number. A6 plus 1 is just the one before it plus 1. Just a simple formula. Now, if we go here and click and we'll make it yellow, we want to add them all together. And how to do this, it's pretty easy. Is we will click the equal sign, then we'll type in sum parentheses. So sum parentheses right here, right there. And we will grab all, with these, we will grab all of the cells, 1 through 10. This will add up all of our numbers, and they will equal 55. Now we will grab our 55, and we will go to C1, and we'll type in equals, click the 55, so that's A11 equals A11, and it'll be 55. Next, we'll do the same thing in which we just did before. So 55, so here, C2, we'll type in equals C1, which is 55, plus 1, which equals 56. And then again, equals 56, C2 plus 1. And one more time, because I believe you need 3 to be able to do the sequence. Plus 1, so we have 56, 57, 58. We'll get the black plus again, and we'll drag it all the way down to the number 10 again. And you see how that all added up, just like the other one. And this will be a much larger number, but we'll highlight this. And we will do the same thing with the sum parentheses. That will get 55 through 64 added all together. So all these numbers will add together, and we have 595. Now our last thing we want to do is we want to multiply 55 and 595 together. How we do that is we click equals again, as we see, and we will click on A11 right here, and we will click on the asterisk right here, which just means times, and then we'll click on C11. So we have A11 times C11, and that will equal 32,725. The reason we do this, the reason we want this to happen is if you're working on a formula in Excel or an equation in Excel, especially for like an accounting problem or something like that, you want to be able to change variables. Because if this is just a normal equation and you messed up on, let's say, A3, then you'd have to redo the whole thing if you're just counting. But because the way we did this, watch this. Let's say A3 was actually 20 and not 3. And you see this is number 55, that's 595, 32,725. If we change A3 to 20, the entire equation besides A2 and A1 will change. Watch this. Kablam. See that? How that changed? And so we will go back, pressing Control Z. And that is how you use these shortcuts to change an equation. To help your equation